Hi guys, and welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. We're here with Reme today doing a beautiful water lily nail. She is going to start off with Stratosphere here, and this is one of our gorgeous cat eye effects. You want to do one coat, and before curing you need to then shine it up with your magnet. As you can see here, you want to take your magnet around the edges of the nail and create your desired effect. This will shine up the magnet polish and create that cat eye effect. Now pop it in the lamp to cure once you're happy, which I believe Reme is. So she's now going to take some Snow White and top coat, and we're going to mix that together on a palette. Please excuse my voice as well. As you can probably tell, I am all bunged up. So if I sound weird, that's why. But we'll just try and ignore that today and focus on this lovely nail. So just take any kind of brush you like and give it a little mix nice and gently. And if you need to add some more top coat, like Reme's doing here to create the desired look, add some more. Obviously this doesn't have to be perfect, it's just whatever you feel is right for you. Okay, fabulous. So we're going to take that nail that we originally painted with the cat eye polish, and just using one of your clear brushes, take that white mix that you just made and create a really nice, smooth and thin layer across the whole nail. Once you've done that, you want to take some top coat and a small dotting tool, and you're going to basically add a little bit of top coat in small dots around the corner of the nail. Reme is going to demonstrate this now, so pick up a little bit of top coat here, and then you're just going to drop that onto that nail uncured. So you do not want to cure the white before you do this. As you can see, that creates a really nice water effect. Super easy as well. Continue this all the way down the nail, and then you're going to cure the nail. Now we're going to take Atomic Tangerine, which is one of our luminous colours. That does mean, in fact, that it glows in the dark. So some of my clients have had luminous shades before, and they didn't realise it was actually going to glow in the dark when they got into bed. But it's pretty cool. So we're just going to pop a little dot of that now on our palette, along with some Snow White. And using a nail art brush, you want to create a little leaf effect. So what we're going to do is just grab a little bit of the white on one side of the brush and a bit of the orange on the other, as you can see here. And then you're just going to create a nice leaf effect by pressing down your brush and dragging across to the side. Reme is going to do, I think, about 4 leaves here just on the side of the nail. And she's also now just going to show you how she creates the right amount of product on the brush that she wants. As you can see, when she swipes it down here, it's a little bit more pigmented than the first brush stroke that she did. So we're going to go back in now with a second coat just to create a little bit more definition. Once you're happy with that desired look, pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds to cure, and then you're going to take just the orange on its own and outline the edge of the leaves. As you can see, that is starting to look so pretty and really realistic with the water effect in the background. Make sure to leave us a comment in the comment box with your thoughts on this design and if you want to see more like it. And don't forget to hit the like button and also click subscribe if you haven't already. This will keep you up to date with all of our new tutorials. Now Remy's going to take a beautiful pastel shade in Buttercup, which is gorgeous, super light baby yellow colour, and we're just going to add a small dotting tool and add some little dots here to the centre just for detail. Okay, next step is get yourself a long liner brush and some Snow White, and you're going to take your nail and from the centre of the flower outwards you're going to drag a small curved line like Reme is going to show you now. You're going to want to do 2 of these, and then going in with Buttercup again, add some small dots to the side of the lines. And that is your design done. All you've got left to do now is top coat this nail. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm definitely going to give this a go myself. I think Reme did an incredible job and it looks super realistic. You're going to see a nice close-up in a second once this nail has cured. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to drop Reme's video a like and share your thoughts on this video, and we will see you again in the next one. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.